Good morning, children. For class 8, today I am providing a model question paper for test examination from geography. The topic is endowment of nature. First question is write an appropriate word for each of the following statement. प्रत्येक क्वेश्चन के लिए जो स्टेटमेंट दिए गए हैं उनमें से आपको भरना है और या वन वर्ड में आंसर देना है. द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज एनी मटेरियल विच इज यूज्ड टू सैटिस्फाई ह्यूमन नीड्स इज नोन एज डैश. द सेकेंड क्वेश्चन इज रिसोर्स विच कैन नॉट बी रिन्यूड is called dash. The third option is resource which are created by human beings is known as dash. Fourth option, the resource which are served and developed is known as dash. The last option of fill in the blanks is sustainable and optimum utilization of resources is known as dash. Now children, come to the next question. Next question is define the following terms. Children, each term belongs to 2 marks. You have to define each of them. First question, define the term resources. Second, conservation. Third, sustainable development. Fourth, potential resources. And the last is international resources. Now children, come to question third. The third question belongs to matching test. You have 2 groups. From group A there is 6 questions and from group B there is 6 answers. You have to choose the correct option. The first group is, the first question is synthetic rubber. Second, vegetational cover. Third, coal and petroleum. Fourth, sum total of resources of all countries. Fifth, animal products. And fourth, stock for future use. The answer option is first, world resources. Second, potential resources. Third, pastoral resources. Fourth, biotic resources. Fifth, man-made resources, and the last option is fossil fuel. Now children, come to question 4th. State whether the following statement are true or false. The first question is biotic resources are non-living substance. Second, fertility of soil in agriculture land is renewable resources. Third question, park and playground are considered personal resources. Fourth question, coal and petroleum are pastoral resources. Fifth, sunlight is considered a ubiquitous resources. You have to choose which one is right and which is false. Now children, come to question 5th. There is 4 options from 5 to 10. You have to choose one of them. Each question belongs to 1 mark. The first question of MCQ is which of the following is not a natural resource? The answer is first, air. Second, mineral. Third, polyester. And fourth, petroleum. Now children, come to next question. Which of the following is an abiotic resources? The option is vegetation. Second, man. Third, animal. Fourth, land. Children, come to next question. Which of the following is not a flow resources? The option is sunlight. Second, water. Third, wind. Fourth, minerals. Children, now come to question 8. Which one does not promote conservation of resources? The first option is use of resources more efficiently. Second option is optimum utilization and resources. Third option is use as much as resources required. The last option is reduce wastage of resources. Now children, come to 9th question. One of these is not a human-made resources. The first option is Sundarban Delta. Second, NS First. third Norway Beach, Howrah Beach, and the fourth is Delhi Metro. Now children, come to last question. Leather is a dash resources. You have to choose any of below. The first option is biotic, second abiotic, third man-made, fourth potential resources. In this way, all the question is completed. You have to solve all the question yourself for the preparation of test examination. Have a nice day.